Hey everybody! Welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I'm going to try something new over the next couple of weeks as I am done teaching for the semester. I have about 3 weeks or so before I have to get back into teaching my college classes. I have a lot more time on my hands and I want to try doing daily Kroger videos. So it may not be every single day because sometimes there's just nothing new to add to the day, but if I can find, new Ibotta rebates, matchups, any kind of new coupon deals with the printable coupons or something like that, or maybe deals that I missed the day before, I'm going to try to do a daily update. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you are interested in, and if so, is it something that you would watch on a daily basis? Okay, so if you want to see this, you do want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because if I'm going to put out a daily video, you want to make sure you're notified when that daily video comes out. I'm just going to try this for a couple of weeks. If it works, and I'm going to keep it. If it doesn't, we'll go back to having like the one big video on Wednesdays and maybe an update video later in the week for Kroger, as well as, I always have my other videos like my Meijer videos and sometimes Walmart videos. So again, be subscribed regardless, but let me know in the comments if you want to see a daily update for Kroger sales. All right, so I do have a daily update this week and I have so many good deals happening this week. I'm so excited about this. So let's check them out. Okay, so this one you probably already know about. It was in my Must Do Deals video, but I want to review this because of the next slide. So Rockstar energy drinks, the 4-count packs are regularly priced $6.99, on sale for $4.99, and they're part of the 5-time digital coupon sale, so an extra $1 off, $3.99 each, or it's $1 per can. Now this is important because of the next slide. You're going to find a deal that's it's like at least the same product. Let me show you. Okay, so Rockstar energy drinks 1 count. These are regularly priced $2.19, so the single cans. They're on sale for $1.99, but they're 99 cents each when you buy 9. That's the sale that's going on. So your final cost is 99 cents each, which is basically $1 from the last slide. So I wanted to put those two together to kind of give you a comparison. Maybe you want to grab individual drinks so that you can mix the different flavors, or maybe it's just easier to carry them in the 4-packs. So I just wanted to give you options here for these Rockstar energy drinks. Either way, you're going to get a very good deal. And, who knows? Maybe you're going to do some of the 4-packs as well as some of the single cans. But 99 cents each when you buy 9 of them. Next, this is a really, really sweet deal. The Sabre Hummus. You want to grab 2 of them. They're regularly priced $3.99. They are on sale this week for buy one, get one. So for 2 of them, you're going to pay for one, $3.99. At that point, you can then submit to fetch for 1,000 points, limit of 2 times. So you're going to get 2,000 points back, or basically $2 back. Your final cost is $1.99 total, or just $1 each. Really great price. And I know we're getting right there on top of Christmas. Maybe you've got some holiday parties. How easy is it to say, I'll bring the hummus and some veggie tray or something like that? Really easy, sweet deal here. Okay, Justin's protein bars are regularly priced $2.29. No sale price this week. So you're going to pay that out of pocket. However, Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on 1, and Kroger Cashback has a rebate for $1 back on 1. Final cost is just 29 cents. Really easy, sweet deal. Just make sure you load that Kroger Cashback and submit to Ibotta and you are good to go. If you're not familiar with Kroger Cashback, I do have a video dedicated to how to use that, so a tutorial basically. I have it linked in the description box below. Go down there and check that out after the end of this video so you can see how that works. Okay, so I had to actually put in a Texas zip code to find this product. So this product is not carried in stores around here in Cincinnati area, Northern Kentucky, Ohio area. I looked all over my local stores. I even put in a zip code for Illinois, because I used to live in Illinois, and so I wanted to check up there. Could not find these Blake seed-based snack bars in Illinois. However, I went Texas. I know there's a lot of Krogers in Texas, so I put that on, found a store, and sure enough, up popped this deal. So let me tell you about it. These are regularly priced $7.99, on sale for $7.49. There is a 3-off-1 digital coupon. Load that. Out of pocket, pay $4.49, and then you're going to submit to Ibotta for 3 back on 1, and then submit to Kroger Cashback for 3 back on 1. Final cost is going to be free and $1.51 moneymaker for 1 box. Now, if you're wanting to max out the Ibotta and Kroger Cashback rebates and get all 3, you could definitely do that. Just know the digital coupon is not like a 5-time coupon. It's a one and done coupon. So really great deal here. If you can find these products, you definitely can find them in Texas. So if you're following me from Texas, give me a shout out in the comments. Say from Texas here. Grab this great deal. I unfortunately am going to have to pass because my stores, like anywhere, I checked probably 5 or 6 stores local to me. None of them carry this product. So congratulations, Texas. You got one on us. Oh, and one more thing before I forget, we have the freebie as well. I have still never gotten this freebie because my store, again, does not carry this product. So Texas, check out and see if you have this. If you do have it, you probably already got this freebie because I've had this freebie rebate in Ibotta for quite a while. But I wanted to throw that up here just to make sure that you knew about it if you didn't already. All right, so I want to give a shout out to Carl Sanders. In my last video, he was wonderful and gave me these last 2 deals. The Justin's refrigerated protein bars for 29 cents. And now the Blake's seed-based bars was a little different deal that I found than what he posted. So I'm not sure if, well, he put all 3 boxes there, but the sale price was different. Anyway, regardless, he's the one that made me go search out this deal and find it for you. So thank you to Carl for posting that deal in my comments. If you have any deals that I have not talked about or you've not seen, put them in the comments below, and if I use them, I'll give you a great big shout out. All right, next Kroger deal we have is the Crystal Granulated Sugar 4 pounds. Regularly priced $2.49, on sale for $2. And today we had a brand new digital coupon pop up for $1 off 1, making the final cost just $1. If you have any Christmas cooking or baking you're going to be doing, you may want to grab this 4 pound of sugar. I mean, how many of you are making cookies from scratch? I generally get the ones you just pull out and you throw them on the tray and put them in the oven. I'm not the best baker there is. However, I remember doing a lot of baking and stuff with my mom and her sister, my aunt, at Christmas time. It was one of my favorite times of all. So anyway, great deal here on this 4 pound of sugar. Next, so the Bic gift sets are regularly priced $9.99 to $10.99. We had a brand new digital coupon pop up for 2 off 1. So your final cost is as low as $7.99. However, I wanted to just have you note the expiration date on this digital is 12/26, so the day after Christmas. So my suggestion, unless you're just really needing a gift, is to clip it and then go to the store on the 26th. At that point, they're going to put gift sets and all your Christmas stuff probably 50% off. So if these gift sets happen to be 50% off at that time, so say $5, you get extra $2 off. You're going to grab them for as low as $3. So I wanted to make sure I include this in the video so you knew your options. Obviously, if you want to get this as a gift, you want to do it maybe before Christmas, or maybe you're meeting with that family, the day after Christmas. You could go get this gift for them the day after Christmas and get a good deal. Anyway, just put that out there, load that coupon, and save it if you can. If you can't, go ahead and use it. It's still a good deal. All right, just a refresher. There is a baking sale happening, or baking event. 3's the deal. We buy 2, get the 3rd item free. Love it. I actually had to do the icing, the Betty Crocker icing, last night because my daughter had to take 2 things of icing to school for the party that they're doing. So I got the 3rd one for me. It's in my pantry, but the 2 I sent to school. Anyway, there's also a deal, of course, if you're wanting to see a bunch of these deals, I put them in my must do deals video from Wednesday. So just go to my page and click on that, or go to, the description box below. You can find all the videos there. So the Jet Puff mini marshmallows, you want to grab 3 of them. They're regularly priced $1.59. They're on sale for $1.25. Buy 2, get 1 free. Final cost $2.50 total, or 83 cents each. Great time to stock up on these. All right, this deal got sweeter. So 5-time weekly digital deals are happening this week. I told you about the Kinder Joy eggs. However, now we have a match-up coupon that just popped up from coupons.com. So let me tell you the deal first. Regularly priced $1.99, on sale for $1.49. Load the 5-time weekly digital coupon for 97 cents each. You can get up to 5. Remember, this coupon does disappear once you use it. So if you want to get all 5, get them now. There's also a printable coupon that just came out for $1 off too from coupons.com. I'm going to have it linked in the description box below. Please, 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 please do me a favor and print from my link. It doesn't change anything for you other than it gives me a little kickback, helps me to keep doing these videos. So click that, print that coupon. Final cost is going to be just 47 cents each. This is absolutely amazing. I'm super excited about this deal. All right, guys, that's all I have for you this quick daily deal. Let me know if you like these daily updates in the comments below. Like always, make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media. You know, if you're not joined to Ibotta, go click my referral link in the description box below. All those good things. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.